And then so in the lawsuit process, once you file your paperwork, remember, we only filing a lawsuit to get someone to listen to us, because that whole electronic process, those representatives, they don't know what's going on. We want somebody to look at what we've been sitting there and listen to what we've been doing. And then here's the best part about this. When you dispute this way, the credit bureau has to send the information. We request the information over to the creditor too. So now if they don't fix or delete it, we can sue the credit bureau and the furnisher. And you can only bring the furnisher into this if you dispute through the credit bureau. If you go straight to the furnisher, you're not gonna be able to sue them under the FCRA. You can do it if you file through the credit bureau. So that's why you dispute it through the credit bureaus too. So now it's easy for them to settle. And then now you can talk about that check, because it's easy to see that they're in violation. They didn't investigate like they're supposed to. And then remember, it's only 2 categories with credit repair. Credit repair is simple this way. Remember, go to the credit report, spot the errors, circle like that. Boom, credit limit 0. That's wrong. Payment 0. That's wrong. You said I paid 3/4/2003. Let's go 3. Why does it say there's a payment there? This is easy. This is easy stuff.